Morning student, and today we are going to discuss the topic of your chapter number 5, water. And the topic is your ocean current. So what is the meaning of a ocean current? Your ocean current are the streams of water flowing continuously on an ocean surface in a definite direction. But they are going to say means you will see that your water in the ocean is continuously flowing. That means the flow of water is continuously. Water is moving from one direction to the another direction within the time. समय के साथ साथ पानी बहता जा रहा है. So what will happen when the large amount of a water means एक पानी की large amount of water का means है आपकी पानी की एक धारा, पर्टिकुलर एक धारा. when जो धारा है आपकी वो एक स्पेसिफिक डायरेक्शन में, एक पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में बहेगी तो आपका वो ओशन करंट कहलाएगी. मीन्स व्हेन लॉट अमाउंट ऑफ अ वाटर इज कंटिन्यूसली विल फ्लो इन अ डिफाइनाइट डायरेक्शन इन द ओशन, दैट विल बी नोन एज योर ओशन करंट. ओके, ओशन करंट है. सो योर ओशन करंट कैन बी टू टाइप्स, दैट इज योर वार्म करंट and your cold current. So now the question is when will be where your warm current will originate and where your cold current will be originated. So now we are going to look at the map which has given you in your NCERT book. By looking this map we will understand where your warm water is originating and where is your cold current. Okay, so you will see that there is a 0 degree. This 0 degree is known as your equator line. This line is known as your equator. So the above part of 0 degree means 0 degree से ऊपर, that part is your northern part and the lower part is your southern part. So the 10 degree from the base, if you are 0 degree, we are taking 0 degree as a baseline. So from 0 degree to above 10 degree north and lower 10 degree south, that whole area, ये पूरा area, that region is known as your equator. This area is your equator region. So in this equator region your temperature is very high. So due to the high temperature the वाटर करंट इज़ आल्सो अ वार्म करंट. पानी टेम्परेचर के ज़्यादा होने से पानी का करंट, जो करंट है वो भी आपका क्या है, गर्म है. एंड इन योर अबव पार्ट दैट इज़ योर लास्ट 90 डिग्री. इन योर लास्ट 90, सपोज दैट योर 0 degree, 10 degree and then 10 degree, 11 degree, 12 degree, so on going on, we will reach at 90 degree. And that 90 degree north 90 degree north part is known as your north pole. But north pole, and same that your 90 degree south is known as your southern pole. Okay, north pole and southern pole. And these poles, the temperature of these poles is very cold. मीन्स टेम्परेचर वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रीजिंग ठंडा है, बिल्कुल फ्रीजिंग जैसा ठंडा है. सो द वाटर करंट when in the area of a poles, the poles is very cold current. Okay, जो करंट है आपका पोल्स के साइड पर वो भी करंट आपका क्या होगा, कोल्ड करेगा ड्यू टू द लोअर टेम्परेचर. ओके, so what is happening, what will happen, you will see that in some area like your North Atlantic Oceans area and your Pacific area, Oceans area, you will see that your cold current and your warm current. Cold current is representing as a blue line and warm current is representing as a red line. So when these two streams means cold current and warm current will meet together, एक साथ मिलेंगी, then the temperature will become a foggy. ठीक है, एक धुंधला सा टेम्परेचर बनेगा एंड द टेम्परेचर ऑफ वेदर फॉगी वेदर बनेगा एंड द टेम्परेचर विल बी योर मॉडरेट लेवल. एक टेम्परेचर एक अच्छे लेवल पे, मॉडरेट लेवल पे होगा. सो दिस टेम्परेचर इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ अ फिश. फिशिंग प्रोडक्शन आपका बहुत हाई होगा, विल बी वेरी हाई इन दिस टाइप ऑफ अ रीजन, दैट इज़ योर नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ओशन एंड योर पैसिफिक ओशन. पैसिफिक ओशन में आपकी योर कोशियारकर एंड ओएसिस, टू टाइप ऑफ a current, that OS is your cold current and quasar is your high warm current is meeting together, then the fishing production in this area will be very high and the weather become foggy, means आपका धुंधला सा weather बन जाएगा and this weather is difficult for the navigation, means to find the direction for the ship को अगर direction find करनी है, so it will become very difficult in this type of a weather. I hope this is all for today's topic. I hope you have understand this topic very well. Thank you.